Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Samarkand rugs, also known as Khotan rugs. Now, Khotan rugs come from East Turkestan, which is a very unique region west of China and part of the former Soviet bloc. So the design of these type of rugs is a unique blend between geometric and floral. As you can see here with these large diamond medallions in the center, and then you have a floral border going around the edge here. There are certain areas where you'll see flowers and even pomegranates and other fruits as well. When you see new Khotan rugs like this one here, you'll notice that they have a unique blend between traditional and modern. So what happens is that they'll incorporate certain traditional motifs like the fruits of the pomegranate, certain flowers, or even the geometric motifs going on. However, what they do is that they'll take, for example, like this border and make it a little bit more of a thinner trim going around in comparison to an antique that would have a wider border, and they play with the colors a little bit. So you'll see more pops of pink and coral, pops of the light blue that you generally wouldn't see in an antique Khotan rug. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to visit our blog on rouzatirugs.com where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.